been a great event. It's really fantastic to be taking questions from people that work in the industry. It's such a two-way relationship. Obviously, we can give a lot of insight into what we're looking for in a pitch and the best way to approach us and our teams. But I think it's really helpful for us as journalists to be hearing from people in the industry what their questions are. It's actually given me a lot of insight to take back to my team and our magazines.
It's a really compelling and dynamic day for everybody involved. I'm a very curious person. I'm always interested in chasing a good yarn and a good news story. So if somebody does have an interesting health story or something that they think is going to resonate with our listeners, then I think it's worth them chasing it up and after sending an email, trying to make contact with the editor in the newsroom at the time.
Look, I hope that all the attendees from the masterclass go away and share with their colleagues some insights that we've been able to provide about the best way to approach newsrooms and different media outlets. And that can be everything from just a really good general understanding of the news cycle in Australia on any given day and knowing more about the markets and the people that you're pitching to.